Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix financial freedom with Etsy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before starting your Etsy shop, it's crucial to research your niche. Identify products that have demand and limited competition. Look for trends using tools like Google Trends or Etsy's search bar. Once you have your product idea, focus on your brand identity. Choose a memorable shop name that reflects your style and products. Create a cohesive logo and branding materials to establish recognition. Next, set up your Etsy account and complete your shop profile. Fill in all necessary details, including shop policies and an engaging bio. It's time to create your product listings. Take high-quality photos that showcase your items from multiple angles. Write compelling descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of your products. Set competitive pricing by considering production costs and market standards. Once your listings are live, start promoting your shop. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to reach a wider audience. Consider creating engaging content, such as tutorials or styling tips, to drive interest. Connect with other Etsy sellers and participate in online communities for support and advice. Tracking your sales and customer feedback is essential for improvement. Analyze which products are performing well and which may need adjustments. Be open to feedback and willing to pivot your strategy when necessary. As your shop gains traction, consider expanding your product range. This will help diversify your income streams and attract a broader customer base. Stay informed about Etsy's policies and updates to keep your shop compliant. Continue learning through online resources and courses about e-commerce and marketing. Patience and perseverance are key as you work towards achieving financial freedom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.